on, Donovan. He said, ooh la la, what's your name? I said, what the fuck, I fucking bang. I never ever tell you my shit, cause I fucking stay for my fucking clip. And I bust on your bitch, so now what? Get mad. Yup. Get mad. He said, ooh la la, what's your name? I said, what the fuck, nigga, I bang. I'm from East Coast, crib, nigga, bang all the blood hoods. What the fuck you thought? I'm never gonna tell you my name because I'm so popular. You don't fuck with her, so why should I fuck with her? I will kill that fucking bitch and fucking steal her purse. I don't give a fuck, I'm hood, and you can't do shit if you could. Alright, come here. You supposed to be rapping with me. Oh. I'm gangsta from the fucking hood. I'm gangsta from the fucking hood. Hey. That shit's too low. I'm gangsta, bitch, from the fucking hood. Don't ask me what the fuck my name is. He like, ooh, nah, what's your name? I'm like, ooh, boy, back the fuck up, bitch. I will slap you with this toothpick. I'm a motherfucking pimp, don't ask me shit. I'm a motherfucking bitch, ain't tryna go to jail. 20-inch indeed, what the fuck you thought this was?
Yeah, girl.
Herb, killer, tool, baby, so what?
Say her name, where are you, girl? Say, I've been eating chicken all day. Yeah, girl, don't die. Say my name.
Say my name, yeah. Ooh la la, what's your name? I said, boo, what the fuck you thought this was?
You are
I
not
keep on telling you I'm from the hood. Don't make me really get real mad. I don't know. Banging all the hoods like a fucking bro. I'm a fucking bro. You greedy guy. You're gonna leave. Alright, daughter, I see